Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be sharing with you how I made this spicy, yummy and fluffy puff puff. I love making puff puff and it's one of my favorite snacks. Please sit back, let me share with you how I prepared this recipe. To get started, I'll be adding to my bowl 1 cup of lukewarm milk and 1 tablespoon of yeast. I will stir together, cover with my kitchen towel and allow to rest for about 5 minutes. In another bowl, I'll be adding an egg to it. I will beat the egg and set aside. Here are the ingredients needed for making puff puff. Please, if you are new to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more awesome videos like this. After 5 minutes, I'll bring back the fermented yeast and milk mixture. To it, I will add the pinch of salt, the egg, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla flavor. I will also add to it the chopped onions and chopped bell pepper. I will stir together. Once all the ingredients are well mixed together, I'll be adding to it my 2 cups of flour. This time I will be using my hand for mixing them together. After mixing them together, you can see that we have a fluffy batter. The next thing I will do is to cover it up and allow to rest for about 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, you can see that our batter has doubled. The next thing for me to do is to begin to add them to my heated oil, and it is deep frying. Also, I'll be frying the puff puff on a medium heat so that it doesn't get burnt outside and not cook inside. After adding the dough to the oil, I'll continue to stir so that both sides can be well fried. Once they are well fried and golden brown, I'll be removing them from the oil. Then our puff puff is ready, looking yummy and beautiful. I know you want to try this out. Please let me know how it came out for you in my comment section. If you like this video, please click on the like button, comment and share. Thanks for watching. God bless.